Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the history of network. So let's look at the agenda. We would be learning about evolution of networks, then protocols and standards, and some examples. Let's learn about the evolution of networks. Let's look into the fields where we are touching upon the timing from 1950s till the present time. So in 1950s, first ARPANET was constituted in 1957. Now what is the meaning of ARPANET? ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This was constituted by United States. In 1969, ARPANET started. In 1970, ARPANET got connected to BBNs, which is Bolt and Beranek and Newman's Incorporation. Then in 1972, email got started and the symbol @ means at. In 1973, ARPANET was connected to Royal Network of Norway. In 1974, Internet was started and Telnet got the approval. In 1982, TCP/IP was formally started. In 1983, Domain Name System was started. In 1986, National Science Foundation with its NSF/NET program helped many people to connect over the internet. In 1990, ARPANET actually got decommissioned. Nexus, the first web browser, was started and HTML was developed. In 2002 to 2004, Web 2.0 was there, and at the present moment, we have Web 3.0. Next, let us look at protocols and standards. What is a protocol? A protocol is a set of rules that must be followed by two parties for data transmission over the internet. Now, for protocol, there are three important terms, or we can say there are three important elements of protocol. Number one is syntax. It basically defines the form, intensity, and type of data that must be passed over the communication link. Next is semantics. Semantics looks into the coordination and control information for data transmission. Here, error detection and correction also happen. The third point is the timing. Here, synchronization of data packets sent from sender to receiver are taken care of. Next, let us look at standard. A standard is a formalized protocol. Now, let us look at some of the examples. Some of the examples of protocol are TCP/IP, we can have MIME, we can have FTP, then HTTP, etc. Let us now look at the examples of standards. Let us now look at some of the protocols and standards examples. Here the examples of standards creation committees are International Organization for Standardization. This is mainly used for international standardization of technical activities. Next we have International Telecommunications Union, Telecommunication Standards, also known as ITUT. This is a technical standard body which deals with telecommunication industries. After that, we have American National Standards Institute or ANSI. This standard body is used for mainly computer and information technology. After that, we have Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE. This standardization body looks into the electrical and electronics fields, including computers and networking. Last but not the least, we have Electronics Industries Association, or also known as EIA. It looks into the electrical wiring and transmission. Here we come to the end of this lecture. To summarize, here we have learned about the evolution of network. We have learned about the protocols and standards, and we have learned about the various examples of protocols and standards. Thank you.